Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys!
Today we're gonna do an
Christmas theme challenge!
or challenge. She interrupted me.
Sorry.
And we have paintings. Sorry, I'm using a selfie stick for the intro today. And yeah, let's get drawing. First, let me explain the rules. So I have my cookies here, what my bestie gifted me for Christmas. Yeah.
Christmas!
Very sly. And then we have a hat of things we can draw in, and we are going to the free market challenge, where we have to pick free, and then we also have this things to draw of. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna track out the first name, if you know what I mean.
First thing.
The first thing. Okay, we have a scenery, like a house, trees everywhere, and snow because it's Christmas themes. Okay, let's do the first marker. Sorry for if it's not that good quality. I'm filming on my sister's phone because mine is taken away. And sorry if it's moving around because I'm filming with a selfie stick. Okay.
Okay.
There's my nose.
Okay, so
I'm gonna pick the first three markers for me. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Weird colors.
I have wait, Shania.
Okay.
I have pale lilac and let me read. Mint green and marine blue.
Okay. I'm gonna go next. Queer colors.
What do you have?
I have frosted blue.
Show it to the camera, please.
I have frosted blue. I have fluorescent rose. And I have pale green.
Oh, and say hello to my cat. Matthias, he's very cute, I know. Oh, it's nice taking him.
He's a bit fussy because he wants to be by my sister.
Oh, hello.
See, he calmed down.
Yeah.
He just wants to be by my sister. He wants to do the drawing challenge.
He's
too.
laying on my lap right now. We're very cute of him. Yes, if you can maybe tell, this one is
You want to
mine.
draw too?
Okay, back to your colors. What else do you have?
Okay, I just have this.
Okay, do you think we should add more colors or no?
The third round we're gonna add food.
Oh, yeah.
Then we're gonna choose 4 colors.
Okay.
And on the 7th round we're gonna have 5 colors.
Okay, let's just draw it and then we can get away. While she's still drawing her painting, I'm gonna start with mine. Okay, let's start with the snow. And it's gonna be lilac. And yes, I am actually left-handed. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up a bit. Okay, I'll just speed it up, but there's the snow so far. And my sister, she's a right-handed, who's still drawing hers. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's move on to the snow, I guess. Still, I'm gonna put some snow on the rooftop. And yes, it's pink because I only draw this color, also known as light lilac. Oh, wait, pale lilac. Oh, and my cat is still laying on the table. He climbed off of my lap. Okay. Let's do the tree now, I guess. It's mint green. And then, yeah. Finally close. And we just started, ended school. So we are, this is our first day of, in America it's winter vacation, but here in South Africa it's actually summer vacation, because Christmas is on summer. But I'm just doing it now because why not? So I'm gonna do this now. And tonight this is her painting. Let's zoom in. This is her painting. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. They're gonna be back of my painting. It's just, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make the house marine blue color. And also the smoke. Because again, like I said, we only have 3 colors. Oh, and y'all, thank you for blowing up my Yonsei Christmas tree with more than 30 likes. It's the most I've ever gotten and more than 1,000 views. Thank you. And also comment which one is your favorite. And sorry, my cameras are slipping in my hand. And Shania hasn't even started her coloring. The coloring part. Yeah. She's still drawing her print. Okay. Okay, kom maar krijgen. And the rooftop is gonna be mint green. This video is getting long and it's only the first round, so I'm gonna speed it up a little bit also. Okay, Shania has officially started her coloring. Shania! Okay, the rooftop is done. Y'all don't judge. I draw this as fast as I possibly can to make the process go faster, but let's just do it semi quickly. And yeah. I'm gonna try to add some music also, because this is probably gonna be boring when I'm not talking. But yeah. And I'm gonna make the tree blue also, because why not? And Shania has colored a tree in. Christmas tree?
Nee, ek het sneeu gemaak.
Snow actually. But yeah. Oh yeah, sorry.
Ja, ek gaan wit belang.
Okay, I'm gonna censor that.
It's gonna be funny because this one is funny and entertaining.
Yeah.
So when we are not talking, just look at him and he will just be funny.
He's laying on my. Oh boy! Shania, no.
But he was
Okay. As if there's not enough lilac in here.
Bye, Kitty. Guys, say bye.
Oh. is gonna leave the screen now. We doesn't have enough pink. We are gonna make the door lilac and the window lilac. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna add some finishing touches on mine with my color while you can focus on Sinead. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna add some finishing touches.
Okay. Sorry if I'm using too much blue, but it's like Christmas theme. Whoops.
Okay, Shania has colored in again. She's busy with her tree, and I keep telling her not to color in with my markers. So just keep an eye on her for me while I'm busy with my finishing touches.
And tell her if I'm coloring.
Yeah, and tell me in the comments. She's only allowed to make
Guys,
lines.
if you see anyone who's drawing with markers and not closing it while they're talking, then they're wasting markers. You have to tell them, don't waste the markers.
Yeah, and don't judge the couch. My sister's sleeping. We and my sister is sleeping on the couches this vacation because we just really wanted to.
Yeah.
And it's fun and yeah.
And the couches are really comfortable.
Yeah.
Like when my mom was watching TV, I slept really early. That's how comfortable the couch is.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay,
this is mine so far.
Sorry guys, I have to deal with the cat.
Sorry about my sister. Well, let's go round up. Oh, no, mine. Okay. This is her painting. And yeah, mine is done, so you have to make faster before I'm gonna set the timer on. Yeah, sorry, my English is not that good, but it's okay. Okay, well, while we're actually here with Sunais, I actually burned myself today
with hot noodles.
Shania. I'm gonna cut that out. Okay, I actually burnt myself today. So yeah, and my mom's work colleague, or you know what I mean, someone who works with her, told her to so that I have to put my hand in flour, and it low-key worked, but yeah, not that good. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up because she's taking a really long time. Okay, y'all, we'll be back, but well, that's gonna take a quick break. But while we're here, you guys can look at the beautiful sky. And also look at my cute dogs. This is one, and there's the other one. Okay, she's not really much of a people person, so yeah. Okay, yeah, let's say the results. This one's mine, and this is hers. Comment down which one is better. Yeah. Okay, now Sinead's gonna take one of the. What did you get?
Gingerbread man cookie.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna
Pen here.
put pull 4 out now, please. Just put the paper. Okay, pull 4. Let's see if she's not cheating. Okay. What did you get? She's got Lightman right now, Spectrum, and potato brown, and also chocolate. You can take one more.
Okay.
Try to get a good one.
Also,
Because I'm gonna look at the sheet.
Memorize.
Tonight, no, oh, fine.
Okay. Memorize. Okay, ek weet wat ek gaan.
Right, she's cheating, y'all. Let's see if she's not cheating.
Wat sê jy nou dat gebruik?
Vat net een. Sorry, that's my language.
Okay. Orange!
Okay, orange. Okay.
En ek het nie eens gecheat nie. Ek wou vir
Okay,
hierdie peach gegaan het. Peach orange.
Okay,
Of a
because
geel.
she did it, I'm gonna do that too. 1.
Ai, jy het gekry.
I didn't. 2.
Nou, jy mag op die vierde ene memorize daar. Kies die derde ene. Kies die derde ene gou.
3.
Okay, jy maak jou oë oop en jy mag memorize gou.
Okay, which one do I low-key want?
Maar op die sewende ryn mag ons 6 kaartjies.
Okay.
Okay.
This is what I've gotten. I've got natural oak and my favorite old red and light pink again. Or not again, but yeah. And melon yellow. Okay, let's just draw quickly, then we're gonna be right back. Okay, this is what I've drawn so far, and this is what she's drawn so far.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm gonna try to make it better. So, this is mine so far, and this is my sister's so far. Okay, I'm gonna start coloring it. I'm gonna... do you think I should color it brown, or should I color it this color?
Was oor jou new peach.
Let's see quickly which would look better. I don't think so.
Hierdie is die perfect kleur.
Okay. I'm gonna start with the decorations firstly.
Finai, wil jy hierdie kleur leer, want dit is 'n mooi kleur.
I can. It's not how it works.
Yeah. Maybe next time when we do ginger. Because my dit is actually lekker om met jou te doen.
Okay. Okay, I made that. Okay. I'm gonna quickly color this in, then I'll be right back. Okay, this is what I've done so far. This is split up and this is snij. Show your friend.
Yeah.
This is hers. So far, okay. She says she doesn't want me to show hers anymore. Okay, but now I'm gonna do the bow in red.
Ja. Nee, ek gaan my paal begin lees. Nee. Jy moet jou pakkie nie onder hierin sit nie, want dan moet ons deeltyd papiere
Okay.
change. So ek sal hierdie paal wag. Sit 'n nuwe pakkie vir daar.
Okay. Oh, it's turning.
Nou, is dit
Okay, we done that. Now we're gonna go to my other color, and it's gonna be yellow for the so-called jelly top, also known as buttons and eyes and mouth. Kom.
Myne gaan baie moeilik.
Fill in with brown again.
Nee, myne wys nie. Dit is 'n surprise.
Okay.
En myne gaan hier op die einde gewys word. Ek moet orange nou gebruik.
Okay, now we can do the hat, and then I'm gonna do some finishing touches, then I'm done. And yeah. I is also doing black details with a pen, but I'm not doing that because I see it as not right to do because
Ek sal nie meer dit doen.
the towns is only 4 colors, but you can trade one of your colors in if it's gonna be useless for the pen.
Okay.
And yeah.
Ek gaan hierdie kleur invul. Vir 'n ander kleur.
Did you already use it? Okay, but I'm gonna make that rule for I see it, but okay. But I'm tying it from now off. What about your mint? Or are you gonna use? I already used
Ek
that.
wil hierdie nou.
What's that? You already used it. But I'm saying that from now off.
Okay. Ek sien dit mooi kleur. Hier.
You can't do that.
Nou dan nog steeds orange. Nou kan ek nie die aardjies inkry nie.
Okay, I'm gonna do some finishing touches.
Nou is ek klaar.
Okay.
Want ek kan nie die aardjies inkry nie.
Okay. Okay, this is my finishing touches. Yeah, I'm done. I am done with mine. This is mine. And tonight's doing finishing touches. To wash my thumbs. Her braidman is basically just an fox.
Dis my gesig.
Okay.
Okay, kom.
Sorry.
Ja, my turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna track a night. Pull out a card salon.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, dis myne. Ek weet dit al klaar. Dis die Grinch of Santa Claus. En it's Clausie. Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Okay.
So die Grinch is al oor van myne. So
Santa Claus.
Doe ons het net 4 rondes. Wag.
Santa Claus.
Okay, Santa Claus.
Okay, so now I go get the peppers.
Ow. Jy kan
Okay, I'm gonna
kan net dit. Ja, jy mag hier kies.
obviously first.
Ja.
Okay. By lilac. By lilac. This time we're gonna do 5. Coral
5?
blue.
Okay, elke rond gaan ons net meer kry.
Vivid red. Okay, I have 3. Now I have 2 more. Fluorescent yellow and 1 more.
Okay, jy moet net een keer nog.
Final blue. Okay.
Okay, my beurt.
Okay. Let's see if she's not cheating. And this took very much longer than I thought. It would be. Okay.
Sorry. Ek wil om balance te hou.
Okay,
Wag, ek het,
what did you get?
Okay, ek het eerste die
Shall we
eerste
do-
daar 2 ronde. Goed.
Let me just say what it is.
Rose
A
beige.
spectrum, green, this one, because she
This one?
doesn't want to tell. She has beige, rose
Rose.
beige,
En dan het ek light pink.
light pink.
green, grey, en dan black.
Black.
Wag, ek het nie black kies nie. Maar ek het 'n ander kleur in my hand gehad. Ek het 2 gekies.
Okay, well, who cares?
Kan ek dan sê black in ruil?
For what? You can't really change it, or else I would also change it.
Jy kan ook een kleur.
So no, that's not how the game works.
Ek het al die stukkie
Okay. Okay, we're gonna draw, and then we'll be right back. Okay, this is what I got so far going on. What she's got so far going on. Okay. Okay, let's start. We're gonna go and move the eyes. Okay, let's go. Good for you.
You agree with me?
Yeah.
Okay, then I can.
Okay, let's go there. Okay. She is busy drawing hers all over again.
Mine was ruined.
Yeah. Okay, now let's try like I said, we can try. Let's see what I won't need. I think I won't maybe need the yellow, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try my lilac in for the pen.
Wacht, jy het gesê ons mag nie.
Okay. I'm gonna put this under there because my painting. Sorry, I'm lucky at the so my Afrikaans is better than my English. Well, only this year on my report. And South Africans know what that is. A report, oh, never mind. You all know also.
Yeah, because schools give
report cards.
Yeah, because they say if you're moving on to college or
no,
moving on to other grade. Or you did
grade now. Okay. Okay, this is his eyes. They do. Okay, I'm gonna use a beard like that. No, my cookies. Okay. My cookies got foul again. I'll put it on my panda. You know that light stuff. When you tap it, it turns to other color. Shania!
Put it on first.
Yeah. Ja, maar gebreid. I'm gonna make him yellow, like. Cause this one is gonna be a neon Santa. Cause that's all I have.
Yeah, we have neon colors.
Just neon, but you know, colorful Santa.
Yeah, I'm making a neon.
It was her idea to do the whole Santa coloring thing. But that, I mean, she's the one who chose that. I mean, you can't forget a mustache.
Meine kann ich nicht warten, Auf jede Doktor.
Yeah, I'm coloring out of the line, but you'll see later why. Okay, let's move on to the hat. Okay, I'm gonna use this color. Number 4 with red. Comment if you should post the result at the end or on a short after the video. If y'all comment who wins, then I'll post the result. Okay, let's make them yellow.
Yellow, yellow.
Okay, let's start with the hat part, cause yeah. I already the whole video was like your idea too.
Yeah.
She wanted to film it, but I just told her how to. How are we gonna do it? Until I made the rules.
I made the rules.
Yeah.
Actually, I made the rules first. And then she made the rules from her cookies.
I'm talking about my cookie rules.
Yeah.
This is gonna take way too long, so we just go to what she's doing.
Okay, nou gaan ek hierdie mooi kleur gebruik.
A charger fail. Okay,
Hierdie kleur is ugly.
no problem.
Maar dit is oké.
Okay, okay, this is mine so far and this is hers. But her phone is dead, so after this painting, we're gonna take a quick break so that her phone can charge. Okay.
Yeah, my phone will.
The second last one, New Year. Okay, you can do your cookies first.
Okay.
Let's make sure she ain't cheating. Okay, you're first. Oh, we are doing 6 this time. Okay, 2 second. Okay, put it down, put it down. 4. Come.
Okay. I get 3 cookies.
2 more.
Ja, nou. Wacht, de 6 als met 6 nou doen.
No, okay, fine.
Je moet gezegd 6.
Okay, now do it.
Okay.
Speak English.
Yes. Okay, join
Oh, don't use too much. Don't ruin the blue because they're all my favorites. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Nou.
Okay, my turn.
5. Oké, nee 5. Dan moet nog 1.
Oh.
Maar jij kan doen.
Okay, just do one more.
Ik voel zo met mijn kop dat ik moet terug gaan.
I got this.
Hier.
Okay.
Okay. Pile pink.
2. Okay, so I have 3 now. 3 more.
Dit is een beetje wat.
Okay.
Maar achter die kant zet.
Okay.
Zet.
Okay, I'm gonna sketch this quickly and she's gonna sketch hers quickly. Okay. Okay, this is what I've drawn so far. And this is hers at. You know that meme where the 5 goes under and the 6 come back? Well, it was last year, but yeah. I'm gonna color it quickly. Let's start with my favorite blue, Indian blue. Laura, that you? Sorry. Okay. This video is probably gonna be so long, but yeah. Oh yeah, you can see that. Visitors watching Sarah's matter.
Ja, dat. Dus geef het mij weer lak. Maar ook met 2 pijsjes van dat keer. Want dat is mooi. Te mooi. Te mooi.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, dit is mine so far. So nou speel ek die hers. Okay, this is mine. Okay, dit is hers. And this is mine. Come on to win this round. And now, I think we're done. Okay, and now we're done. Let's just go for a quick recap of what we've done. 2026. Okay, we have the Santa. Okay, and mine and hers. Then hers and mine. Okay, bye guys.